I keep referring to Severino's philosophy and Severino's philosophical thought, but as those who are somewhat acquainted with his writings know, what is at stake is not the thought or the philosophical system of Emanuele Severino, or in any case of an empirical person, but it is in a sense the possibility of letting philosophy speak for itself, to somehow testify and bear witness to the truth of philosophy, the truth of what is. And this is, of course, not an easy task, and here lies the most remarkable character, in a sense, of Emanuele Severino, the empirical person, who has attempted to set himself aside and try to listen, to testify and to bear witness to the truth of philosophy.